I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is LifterLMS. Select a task and select a course. Click Next. Search and select Action Sync Spider. Give here a webhook link. So go to the Sync Spider site, then click Create your first task. Search and select webhooks. Then choose another app to send the data. Next, create form scratch. Add new. Give here a meaningful name. Next, copy the webhook URL and paste it on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Application/JSON. Please go to the Sync Spider website and retrieve the webhook. Then go to the integration site and test the webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Sync Spider site and finish it. Add new. Give here a meaningful name. Next. Give here an API key. Finish it. Next. Map the respective fields. Next. Give here a meaningful task name. Active the task. Finish it. Now go to your course page and click Sign Me Up. Now click here to log in. Now click the Enroll Now to enroll in the course. The course has been successfully enrolled. Go to the MailerLite site and navigate to the subscribers. You can see that the data has been successfully transferred to MailerLite through Sync Spider. Thanks for watching.